So you're thinking about buying or selling a home and the government shut down. What does that mean for you? Hi, I'm Steve Muller and I sell real estate in Charlotte, North Carolina. So it's fall 2025 and unfortunately the government is shut down, and I've had quite a few people ask me, what does that mean for them? And I've had both sellers and home buyers ask me that same question. So first, let's start with home sellers. What does that mean for you? Well, there is some concern within the market and within the buying pool about what exactly is going on with the real estate market. And I would say that's both nationally and locally right now. So there is some fear with the buying pool, depending on price ranges and, job security, things like that, on where the market is going. I would say here in Charlotte, we don't have a ton of federal employees, but nationwide, there are a lot of federal employees. So some folks are really nervous on their job security. So I would say for a home seller, that is probably your biggest concern, is how the buyers feel right now. If you're a home buyer, a lot of times you're concerned about, hey, can I even get a mortgage right now because of the fact that the government is shut down? So I want to talk about that real quick. So I want to talk about conventional mortgages real quick. That is your typical mortgage that most people try to get whenever they buy a home. There is really nothing that the government shutdown is impacting there. Your typical bank type loan, your 30-year fixed rate type mortgage, we're seeing really no challenges whatsoever with that type of mortgage. Now, to talk about FHA and VA loans, those are government-backed loans, and we're not even seeing a tremendous impact on those at the moment. There are still new loans going through and closing, and there are still new applications being taken. The only issue that we're really seeing with those type loans is in the event a lender needs to contact someone at the FHA or VA and whatnot to get answers on things, it's taking a little bit more time to get those answers to close these deals. But even for FHA and VA, we're not seeing a tremendous amount of impact there. For USDA loans, we don't deal with a lot of those here in Charlotte. Those are more rural type mortgages. But with USDA loans, they are not taking new applications right now, and they are also not closing deals. So if you're thinking about having a USDA loan, what I'm understanding right now is that they are not taking new applications or actually even closing deals. So if you're using one of those loans, just be aware you probably need to look for other options if you're going to buy now.